Oh well, it's New Year's Eve. Still need to open that, which we'll do now. The first thing is out with the old and in with the new. Check the shine on that out, baby. Mental. And then we'll have a look at this carbon blade then. So we have the tension carbon fibre component, and I don't know what that is, Kazento. Some gloves and microfiber. Oh well. My delivery off my missus. Oi oi num num. Nice. That's where it is. It's not bad at all. Again, quality is pretty. It looks bang on, like. To be fair. Nice weave on there. You know. I'm gonna drop this now, and yeah. Oh, it's no point putting it on there, is it? But yeah. Oh, fuck. Yeah, man, it's not bad. Oh yeah. Oh, this is terrible this morning. So yeah. Not bad. But I'm here, they're a nightmare to fit, so this job could take a while. We shall see. So it's off. We've had a nightmare. It's on the floor. Basically, there's two bolts. Fucking hell. So there's two bolts on the side there. Took off. And then there's so much run along the 8mm ones then. So I took all them off and I couldn't get it off. So I started trying to sort of rip this plastic off under here, because this was all loose. It wasn't lifting off, and I was pulling my hair out. I was going crazy. My son just came in. He said, "Have you seen these two 10mm bolts up in there?" I said, that won't do nothing." Yeah, we undone them and it just lifted off. Clean as a daisy, like whoever clean a daisy is. So now I just undone those three bolts there, and this should lift off the whole frame. Have a look now. Happy days. Wow, that was a mission. But there's two bolts on the side down there. See, oh my god, I'm all over the shop. Like those two inside there, man, were solid. Just about got them undone. So now, although that was hard for me, it's flipping gonna be. We checked the bonded in there solid, man. That's gonna be a mission and a half. So that's enough for today. I'm gonna go and enjoy New Year's Eve. Happy New Year's, everybody. Well, bit of a change. Just a quickie. I'm in the garage today, so I'm putting some new drums on the daily. I put some new discs and pads on. I done an oil service, and then good old faithful Ed decided to explode. And fucking empty everywhere. It's all under the new tiles and all. Oh, spiffing. Oh well, let's get this done and get back on the Civic. Ugh. Right, cold January morning. I've got hair on my face. The heater's going. 5 degrees. I'm going to attempt the spoiler. So my boy said attempt her in one. I've got another option I want to do, which I think will be better. But these things, I thought if I mess it up, like I'll buy another one. Like second hand, they're going for like nearly £1,000. Like, it's fucking bonkers. So, right, let's have a little go in. So it's been an hour, and nah, man, solid. You can see it's when I'm trying to pry this away, it's moving slightly. I've cut all the glue out in there and stuff. You can see it's stressing, like it's stressed the flipping plastic around there. Well, option 2 then. So they're not lying when they say this job is a nightmare. I had to cut it off. It was stressing the paint out, trying to bend it too much. I have tried for over another hour. All I've got is that end up by there, a little bit in there. Look. I haven't given up, but I feel like giving up. I have to get some like fishing line and put that down behind and heat it up again. But I've tried everything, trying to cut it out, heat it inside there. Yeah, don't attempt this. Nightmare. So I come back in the garage because I hate being beat. Like, I thought I got some multi-solve stuff. I'll spray that in there, heat it up again, and guess what? It's out. So basically, I was just pulling from here, separating this part all the time, spraying the multi-solve in there and heating it up. I just kept pulling and pulling and pulling. I just heard a loud snap. I just come out. So thank God for that. Some bit of touch-up paint going to be needed around there, but flipping out, that's one done. Actually, the process of doing that just needs brute strength. I haven't got a lot of it left at my age, but I'm glad that's out. I sleep tonight now. So, buzzing ain't a word. So that one, you see there's a little bit of damage around the edges there, which I'm going to have to touch up. You're not really going to see that. But yeah, just brute force in the end and it snapped out. So the other one, fucking hell. Remember I struggled, that's got to be 2.5 hours on that one. Yeah, that one, yeah, 5 minutes. So literally, when it starts coming loose at the top there, I was just pulling it back, heating it up, pulling back, heating it. I just used brute force. Could you hear this snapping? I just wrenched it out there, man. Snapped, used the muscles. The muscles, yeah, boy. And yeah, look at it. No damage or nothing, really. So, buzzing ain't the word for it. Yes. Don't ask me to do it again, though. Right, let's get the carbon blade in there, see if that fits now. So it's done. Thank God for that. When I was doing that, man, when it was 2 hours on the first part, I thought, man, I can't do this. But like, I don't like being beaten. I kept coming out of the house thinking I've got to get it done. To be fair, bit of brute force, it wasn't that bad. And the end product definitely outweighs the flipping, the graft, like. So yeah, I don't know what's up next for the car. I know what's up, but the wife probably needs me to do stuff in the house now, to be fair. I won't be too happy blowing all my dollar on the car all the time. So, but yeah, that's it. Happy days. Let's have a look at it.